And therefore, according to say issues surrounding Ekia GMB. Yes, Ekia Makwa, Girls was beautiful 2011. Issues surrounding Eya Obayi and the former husband. Dr. Kweku Ote, and then science and seminal, a better for that. The buyer who divorce away. I think that is a Maria Colin, a Munche, one Baby to the America and Amata, a baby and the Edusa for Continent, Kingdom S and Cochichi, a choir, a yes, this year, Martin, and I'm so did you call really a year between Dr. Pugoti and a year JB and I'm so Emma, our really a now and a day. Yama science seminal in working near the matters and before Shimu and said, I quite said here. Verbal war, verbal war. Toka see what Mokasa no. Man who so also wo Efia GMB entem any year Stacy Amwati na ntokwa no akwete de wo mo konso mo nko ye wo mo kasa ye as the way supposed to be electronic Instagram page on na say we so be true na we try na kwete de anu ye e de mark ye edikanya e ba ni nyam no se wo mo ba out all out se wo ma beka se wo mo mienu wo wenya na wo mienu wo mo say asemesi wo mtima wo mo calling it out na so mo kasa it out no eno de wo mo nya do yen se ba from all indications where exam ya wo mienu wo mo wo mo verbal war between Ekia GMB and the former godmother Stacy Amwati. Na poster Ekia GMB depend to where man for anybody says and also any step. And okay was sorry and we posting the picture. The come share it na tag ojina baby Instagram page on no watch show as say there are a lot of demons in angel form. Don't be deceived by their words. Be vigilant, family, so you don't fall prey to their schemes. Heaven helps those who help themselves. And no any poster, if you are Amwakwa Sally, the Ebetu Instagram page, na anche as in the space of some few minutes, and as they say, so the far a phone. Everyone also picture come on also actually yellow fair dinner and also a caption as yes learning to take responsibilities of the consequences of your actions and not blaming the world for your woes caused by your actions is a sign of maturity. You cannot plant yams and harvest apples. I just said kasakwa go to kasa asem wapem waka etum wakasa kwa so edi ekia makwa sali amo but ninia mu no wo be hwa wo mie nu sa ene wo endokwa esmatana sa na wo sifa react to issues pertaining to because mbeka ya ebra scandal no breaking ya news speculate yourself afie twemu yi ekia GMB nikunu Dr. Kokotin akọ the office akọbọ na suma community at this woman and divorce quite so at say am for share to mo ka wa no most of times no we share Ekia GMB ni status and I say them to the Instagram poster no what na quite encourage them as what the ni critics and no say there nipa and nipa so me form na say nipa dey won say be na so be ya no bra na say some na post and for person go meeting and ask them say no question say woni ni kuni to mate kra ko mbeka ya go see picture on sheka wa ele bi musu no ni kunu birthday ye wonu angasa ne ba na ni kunu wo o mo last born egudie akola ba yo birthday no so no instead to ko be go shi ni kunu birthday na wo shi ne ba so birthday no o be ka ya o de ono ele ne ba no picture the two one de go shi o ne ba no kwa birthday na say in other ways no or you suka sakwa any the pictures no at the answer and perform say any amount as say na no say na ya tete of na say na no so that is fact ya just woni ni kunu eri obi na nti e no timi e wo share ne ba no kwa birthday na di ama wemu entokwa na koye shunko akofo incident wase e say mu be kaya ebra insanu man mu so kono edusa fakro ya ba bonti meka say Stacey Martin and the demon I want to want to mind before and what the godmother everywhere yet again my power remote is was sugar a brow program of restoration wodi na wa ronko mo ne di ko na kwase o tu ni funa to church na ma ekia amako asali ye Stacey Martin ko introduce no church Dr. Bokoti na no plan ko na nam so my position here wonya any broadcast yi be man na the former position of KRG and Binemo. It's now on kakana before say this will be a do position say ya and also then now we are found. The na Stacey Martin edi 15th marriage anniversary na all no so no KRG be ya send in the message of all celebrating the anniversary, congratulating on the anniversary. This is all kakana man ko fa do na say and still no maybe we good relationship and not be a friend so and not to one say so bet me I for the position or what e woni kunu company man say one ya emu how dia na ni niem na say year silence the birthday last year Stacey birthday ekia amakwa an shino and I be a few ma recently ya make a coach last week ya do suffer so that GPM sabe practice so say Stacey Martin and the say Emma GMB and na any group Dr. Bokoti we not say for this time no saba abeka say not say o say you so do suffer west say Stacey Martin acted like an angel but inwardly we demon wo epe man etutu di pa se ade se o body pechi aka no akose yemu na se za west na no say yusu o no pose ma stage so be ya no sa na se papa se de so na me ki agem dia boso ebi eni ati eni ama Stacey Martin no so yusu kasakwa abe reply no say so no and what na so no mo no break here and we must make decisions and then we here say ola abontin we dey blame sabe to amount for so na say baby ada on obi aye at blame for no answer problem to go to no offer no nhemu da no kwa wa dey egu here what dey shame for 8 econs and enough for me ado ogbegbe mi say omo no omo teche ama na we go na say and no and Stacey Martin so with the post for dey betu no what dey patch na say tell me say sanity dey na say dey see mo ayo ko fa edura wa be mu enye ba ko say madam funie le me futu tu folie ana ye di wa be mu na we le tu fu na we dey say mi anu emwa because say ke bua going to be say ka ube so bi nta na we na ura wa be mu na say wa da no o friend na wo krusu ni na e be ko bi e chire na say wa da du position na wo nwa ka sabe ka wa se nwa sabe ka che o say ga wu wa bra bo ya wu decisions take ya e ga go bi o say na say any deeper and yes Stacey Martin e dey actually e ga je be sure pass for no so next time the sana say me sifatie na sana e kwa won fa yo go sem any other for sem e relationship bi egu bi and I say the personal life what they are go sem and I go probably be sure pass from all the letters questions from last year this year no one for sana money be because we sure still the KRG bi ku aware e wa Ghana but for the na no to ma no egu na ba so say we from the start go first start so we can say ebe and paso agu amata say the eti egu ya kra ba ko ye ayonku bro ni ayonku semi we ya madafu mi kuna edit say madafu ni na say erebe mu ama awe na bi so eti we dey any futuo ememegu any obi bia say why na dey say and that's what na dey be say that check kwa ma obenya aware anaso ne kubetuna kana na ko ye say aware be tina dia na yo ogro enka wo bi nti ye fa ne futuo ani ne mu no say wo mo odi and churches some as actions and at the time perform any remember some Badinian worship like the key but also what didn't share ever post the hour never to go but Diana Fasune I will too much GH your comment section work now share video way on all the social media platforms follow too much GH our Instagram Twitter so at too much GH _ Facebook so too much GH na nama ouswa edin nyame ya duma e be say ke share bi makro bia